Hi, welcome to power washing. Today we're going to power wash a vinyl siding home. And one of the tricks of the trade that I like to tell you about is we're going to put bleach on the house. There's no trick about bleach. Everybody knows that bleach works. But what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of Dawn liquid detergent to the bleach. And what that'll do is it'll thicken up the bleach and make it stick on the siding and allow the bleach to work a little bit better without just running down from the house. So let's do that real quick. We're going to add some bleach, or add some detergent. Nice big generous amount. That's good. We used about that much of the bleach, or this much of the Dawn liquid detergent in the bleach. Let's go ahead and get started. Before we turn off though, I want you to know we want to either have the pressure off of no water pressure in the power washer, or we want to be squeezing the trigger when we pull it. You don't want to have pressure in the power washer because it can affect its ability to start. It can lock up and really do some damage not only to your shoulder but to the power washer itself. When the rope breaks on a power washer, it's probably because there was pressure in the line that wasn't released when it was trying to get started. Thanks. Put the bleach on the house, or the cleaning solution on the house. We always, regardless of what we're doing, we always want to start putting the solution on from the bottom, and we work our way up. And then when we rinse from the top down. Now it does take about 15 minutes for the bleach to actually kill the spores that with the surface that we're trying to clean. So try to keep it wet for about 15 minutes. Don't let the bleach dry because it's not doing anything. Also, always make sure you rinse it off of the windows. Bleach on windows is an acid that can actually permanently scar the windows.
How you doing? My name is Teddy Nice, and this is how we power wash.
Remember, it doesn't matter if you're power washing vinyl siding or cedar stake shingles or hardy plank or whatever. Always start putting with the solution down at the bottom and working your way up, and then rinsing from the way down. Let's talk about the power washing tips. The black tip is the only tip that lets the chemicals go through the power washer onto whatever we're cleaning. The other color tips, they don't do that. The red tip, throw that away. That has a 0 fan degree. I mean, that thing's shooting out about 3,000 psi and the size of a pencil point. It can really cause an awful lot of destruction, and I can't think of a single instance where I'd want to use it. The next tip, the yellow tip, that puts out a 15-degree fan. I'm still not convinced that that's enough fan width. I like to use the green or the white, where the fan width is 25 and 40% respectively. Remember, our goal when power washing is to let the chemicals do the work. It's faster, it causes less destruction, and gives a more consistent finish. So let's let the chemicals do the work. So we don't need a fine fan. We can use a green or a white fan because basically we're just giving the substrate a nice firm rinse. Not a hard, aggressive power washing, just a firm rinse. Try when you're power washing, keeping the power washer down to 1,000 psi. That's way it won't be tearing up the wood as you see in these photographs here. So remember, let the chemicals do the work. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. All right, man, shoot away.
All right, my name is Teddy Nice. We just gave you guys a quick demonstration on how to start, begin, and finish up doing a good job on the pressure washing of a vinyl siding house.
All right, yeah.
Hey, hello, my name is Teddy Nice. I don't know why I'm nervous. It's just the camera.
I know, I know.
You know what I mean?
I know, it's ridiculous, isn't it? I hear you.
How you doing? My name is Teddy Nice, and this is how we power wash.